Working at Atkins, my day-to-day jobs, as you can see, there's a bridge that looks not in great condition. So we do a lot of, at least in my team, we do a lot of bridge repairs and bridge assessments and things along the M4. I'd say it's the biggest sort of main road around here, and some of the other various trunk roads in and around South Wales. We also get to do surveying. So funnily enough, I've just come back from a day out on site doing a topographical survey in Britain Ferry, which is just up the road. Again, I say we have a trip to Gregonog each year. I'm not sure if that still runs, but again, the university teach you how to do surveying, basically, which is it's an important skill. And finally, you'll see there's a picture of a laptop and a notebook. Yeah, to say working at Atkins is a mixture of working from home and working in the office, and the laptop is the key to all of that. You know, you can use CAD to do all your drawings and things on a laptop. You can write your reports and stuff, you know, keep in contact with your clients to give them updates on certain things or raise any issues, etc. So the most useful modules and content from my degree. So first one is probably the most important, if not most overlooked skill, is report writing. So whenever you do any coursework in university, you're going to be writing reports most of the time, at least in the end, when you're summarizing results from a structural analysis or whether you're doing laboratory testing. Report writing skills are key. And, you know, it's something that the university builds on from your A levels and things like that. But the university helps you do it right. So pay attention to that when you come into the uni. Programming modules. So historically, or at least when I was going through uni, MATLAB was something taught to us as a coding language. Again, it's not something that's particularly used in industry, but the skills and the sort of logistical processes, I'll call them, are very good to add to your arsenal. You know, if you know how to code in MATLAB, you can learn how to code in Excel and Python and all of these things. And as a civil engineer in sort of a fast-paced changing industry, you know, these skills are very important, especially in consultancy, which is obviously where I'm working. Finite element methods and analysis. So I do a lot of structural analysis on, as I say, on these bridge decks and bridge abutments and bridges in general, really. As I say, they teach you finite element in year 3 onwards. So obviously that builds on the maths and things that you learn in first year. So again, very important. Structural design and analysis modules. So again, they're sort of blended throughout the course. You know, we start picking up strength of materials in first year and then build on that as you go through the course. Again, working in a structures team, you know, it's not just assessment work. We do design of bridges and stuff as well. So this is important. And finally, surveying. As I say, I thought I'd just put that in there because I did some surveying today.